Okay, not a 13. It's gonna be a 10 on those connectors.
Look at this color: red,
Yes.
black, blue.
Okay.
Okay. Red,
Red,
black, and blue.
blue. Okay, so you do the red first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you do black, and then you do blue. It's free.
Look at this.
Okay.
Black,
Okay.
negative.
That's the negative. Okay. Okay.
Red,
Positive.
is positive.
Okay.
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 Left, black.
Okay.
Right, red.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Left black, right red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And always black first. Okay. So negative.
¿Lo vas a sacar?
He's gonna I wanna say he just needs to hold he's gonna hold that nut right there. He's gonna unscrew it from the back. That's how he's gonna do it. Just make sure he holds it in place. That's all he's doing. Holding that nut in place so that he can trim the bottom. Okay, yeah, okay.
Boy.
Yeah, okay. That's what's on the inside.
Ahí está.
See.
Dale, dale más. Ya.
The other one.
Yeah.
This is the bracket that the motor's being held on by.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Two. It's three.
It's 4.
It's 4. Okay.
Okay. This part is ready.
Okay. And it comes out.
It is glue, okay?
Okay. What's the glue do?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is ready.
Okay.
Only need a new controller.
Okay, under the controller.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. And that glue is there also. Okay.
It's ready.
Okay. Okay.
Más que pa.
Now we're going to put it back.
Sí, son buenas.
He's adamant about making sure the cords are placed back at the right time instead of just connecting all of them.
Okay. 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 2 holes up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. 3 holes bottom.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. These face down, those up.
First, insert this and this.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Before
Okay.
this,
The bottom ones.
here,
Okay.
this, here. Okay. You need this.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Slow, okay?
Okay.
It's slow.
Not too tight.
Soft.
Okay.
Okay.
Remember not to over tight it. Do it softly. Pay attention to the turns the way you don't over.
Espérate, todavía no. ¿Ese vas a apretar?
Sí.
Espérate.
Slowly.
Mira.
Ready.